anti-gravity machine? That's right, with every zap. Oh, yeah? Well, already zapped your HQ.
And I'm going to help
And
you.
guess what? You're next.
I'll not let you down again.
We need to find cover.
Who needs you, Splodge?
Watch out for the viaduct. It's dangerous. What's the matter? Lady. That engine's name is Lady. She's part of the clue to the source of the gold dust.
Now I'll get you, Burnett Stone.
Edward was panting up behind with every ounce of steam he had. At last, he caught up with James.
You can run, but you can't.
Hey, guys, wait for me. I can't fly or run fast.
He's hungry. Get back.
Gecko, look out. Super cat speed.
Come on, lady.
Poor Thomas tried hard to stop them from making him go too fast. Stop pushing! Stop pushing! He hissed. But the cars took no notice. Go on! Go on! They giggled in their silly way. There's the station.
My lunch.
What?
Stephanie, stop!
I can't! What, a driverless train?
You can overheat! Your boiler could blow up!
Well, lady,
Edward called his driver.
this is your shining time, too.
The inspector stood on Edward's front, holding a noose of rope in the crook of the shunter.
Come on, lady! Little engines can do big
The engines swayed and lurched. At last, got him! He shouted. He pulled the noose tight. Gently braking, Edward's driver checked the engine speed, and James's fireman scrambled across and took control.
Well done, Thomas. Well done.
Time for things to get a little more down to earth. No, you're ruining my plan. I can fly again. Yeah! HQ's back on the ground. Now we just need to fix you, cowboy. Give me my anti-gravity machine! Ah! No way! I think it's time for this gadget to float away forever. Cowboy, zap the zapper! No!
Puffball! Teapot! Oh well, nice time of the year for a cruise.